Okay, we're back on the tutorial. So let's talk about cookies in Flask. So what is cookies in Flask? So it's kind of a data that's stored on your computer. So for example, like if you wanna remember the user ID, that's how cookies works. It's remember your username. And the only bad thing about cookies, you should never put your password as the cookies, because somebody can read your cookie, steal your cookies, and yeah, get your password. So that's the bad way of creating your password. And yeah, so you should never put cookies on your password. And yeah, you know what? Let's just start it. So I'm gonna run this thing so you can get the idea. So I'm gonna enter my user ID, for example, like this, login, and I'm gonna get the cookies. And yeah, it remember me even I refresh this, because this one read my cookies. And yeah, so this is how we're gonna do it anyway. It's very simple, very straightforward. If you wanna use cookies on your application, you can do this easily. And yeah, let's just start it. So first, we're on the application route. It's only an index file. It's just an input that post will send us to the set cookies on this function. What it'll do, it will return the we will redirect to the read cookies.html, so we can click the hyperlink. And if you see this, so user request that form nm, so we're referring to this one. So we're gonna get that username and put it under set cookies, and that's how you're gonna do it. And so very easy. Okay, so there's a one thing that you should know is make response, something like that. We never use this. Okay, so if you wanna become a Plus developer, something like that, or any kind of developer, you should read that documentation. I already told you over and over again. Like, so where you get this function anyway? So it's on the plus. It's on here, plus. There's so many built-in function on plus that exist. You don't need to hard code it anyway. And yeah, so it will return the set cookies. And if we're gonna get the get cookies, we're gonna go to this URL and request cookies.get user ID, because we name it user ID. We set, this is how we're gonna set it. So I'm gonna comment this out. This is how to set cookie. This is how to get cookie. So very straightforward. And yeah, so set and get, request get user ID. And yeah, so that's how you're gonna do it. Very straightforward. You can read the code and get it anyway, like nothing to like that. One more time. So we're gonna, like, let's say John, something like that, and get our cookies. Yeah, welcome John. So that's cookies in Plus. You know what? See you in the next tutorial. I'll just wake up today. I need more coffee.